Cheers, y'all. It's a Christmas with JJ. The coquito's flowing. Let's jump into the sweet potato cornbread. My grandmother passed away when I was 7 years old. I'm cooking a lot of things this year for Christmas, or I'm always cooking things for Christmas that keep the tradition of her on the table with my twist. So when my dad married the family, he loves cornbread. He's always gotta have some cornbread on the table. So this is from my dad, sweet potato cornbread. It's gonna give you like this cake feeling because we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream. We got dark brown sugar, we have eggs, cornmeal, all-purpose flour, a bunch of warming spice, and you can just get sweet potato in the can. I'm not telling you to chop up sweet potatoes, boil them, puree them. This is nice and easy, nice and simple. You can do it. You're gonna be able to slice it in beautiful triangles, and it's gonna add a nice touch to this holiday meal. So let's crack some farm eggs. Eggs are key. Don't worry about if they say free range or whatever it is. Pasture eggs, or get some eggs from the farmer's market. Vanilla extract. So we're gonna whisk this up. We'll whisk this up really nice. Grab a rubber spatula. We're gonna add in our sour cream. Our sour cream is gonna give you that richness, okay? Our sweet potato puree. Now, if you like sweet potato pie, you're gonna love sweet potato cornbread. Dark brown sugar. Woo! This is also dairy-free. You heard it, dairy-free. Some rice milk. So, anybody looking to go that dairy-free route, rice milk is great. It's gonna give a nice fermented flavor. It's gonna be really good. So let's whisk this all up. That's the key. So get all those wet ingredients together, and you're gonna whisk this up. Look at that. Smells good. The pumpkin, the vanilla, that brown sugar. We wanna get that smooth. We're gonna push that to the side. Let's work on our dry ingredients. So, cornmeal. All-purpose flour. Really nice. That's what you want. So, baking powder, baking soda, kosher salt, sea salt, cinnamon, and then listen, grate your own nutmeg. The flavor is so much different. And then with the wooden spoon, I like to do it with the wooden spoon. Reminds me of my grandmother. Every time I use a wooden spoon, that's how you bring grandma in your kitchen. You bring in the wooden spoon. We're just gonna mix that up a little bit. Get it all nice and going. And then we're gonna bring it right back to our wet ingredients. And then we're gonna just add it in slowly, just like this. Do you smell that? It's like a party in here. Hold on, I need a coquito break, sorry. It's the holidays. We're gonna mix this up. You want it clumpy. You want it nice and clumpy. Take your non-stick spray, spray it around. Woohoo! The final touch, right when you're done mixing, you're gonna add in your butter, your nice melted butter. Pour this right into your prepared pan, just like that. And you don't wanna fill it all the way to the top. You wanna fill it about 3/4 because it's gonna rise. Let me get my spatula and pour it all in there because you're gonna need it. Everybody's gonna love this. Look at that. Come on, come in the oven with me, come on. We're gonna bake this. They're at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how golden brown it comes out and why it's so delicious.
A few moments later.
Woo! Oh, do you smell that? Now that is what I call sweet potato cornbread. There's nothing looks better or smells better than this, y'all. Look at this, super golden brown on top. You can smell the vanilla, the sweet potato. Come on, let's cut in. I'm talking too much. Let's cut in. Oh, it's decadent. Oh, this is beautiful right here. Let's get right into this. Look at this. It feels like home. It goes perfect with this coquito by itself. Remember, the holiday times are about family, loved ones, cooking something delicious to bring back maybe somebody you've missed for a really long time. Sweet potato cornbread or cornbread has always been on my table every holiday season because of my dad, But this year, it's all about the sweet potato. So remember, it's a Merry Christmas with JJ.